Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Another 3 UK-based players have pulled out of the Reggae Boys squad for their upcoming 3 CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers, which starts on Thursday against the United States in Texas. More in this report.
Following news on Monday that defender Ethan Pinnock would not be making the trip for the qualifiers due to injury, another 3 have since decided they will miss the trip as well. Striker Mikel Antonio, who made his debut against Panama at the National Stadium, was supposed to join the squad in Texas on Tuesday, but opted not to do so. Antonio, who is not carrying an injury, states, quote, "I can confirm that unfortunately I will not be joining up with the Jamaican national squad for the World Cup qualifying matches this week. Myself, West Ham United and Jamaica have all agreed that given the logistical and travel difficulties involved at present, it is better for me to remain with the club in London at this time. I remain fully committed to Jamaica and look forward to representing my country in the future," end quote. According to TVJ analyst O'Neill Meredith, this is a missed opportunity for Antonio.
The lack of commitment of our overseas-based players have always been a major concern in our national football program. The unavailability of Mikel Antonio does not help that cause, especially at a situation and a juncture where we have so many injuries to our first team. I think it's a missed opportunity by Antonio to show us how dedicated he is to the cause, especially where our program is right now. His leadership and his experience will be important, especially going up against one of the biggest teams within CONCACAF.
Also joining Antonio on the sideline are centre-back Liam Moore, who cited injury as his reason, and midfielder Daniel Johnson, who is said to be taking precautionary measures after a minor knock over the weekend. Another TVJ analyst, Anthony Follis-Williams, says the absence of the 4 players could be detrimental to the team.
Knowing that we are playing the US, away in the US, but the US is also missing their top striker. And I go out to say it is going to be a tough encounter. But I say once the guys stick to it, I think they can come up with a draw.
But Williams further states that the commitment of some English-based players must come into question.
I don't think the English-based players are committed to the cause. And if you look when we play Panama in Jamaica, it was a total disarray. So I don't see the commitment of the English players are intact. Looking on the late withdrawal of Mikel Antonio, that in itself tells me that they are not committed.
Despite the dropouts, Williams believes that the Reggae Boys can pick up some points from the 3 games.
I think that if we can at least garner 5 points, I think we'll have made a lot of positive moves. But again, I think it is going to be very, very difficult.
Cavaliers defender Jamoy Tope has since replaced Pinnock in the squad, while goalkeeper Jadine White has taken over from Dennis Taylor. Currently, only 20 players are in the squad, which is now short of 3. Following Thursday's encounter against the United States, the Reggae Boys will play Canada on Sunday at the National Stadium before going away to play Honduras next week, Wednesday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.